Itanhangá House by be.bo architects began as a dream shared by a couple who had long cherished their life in Itanhangá, Rio de Janeiro. After years in their old home, they felt a yearning for change, a desire for a simpler, more practical lifestyle that would allow them to live in harmony with nature without sacrificing beauty. The house they envisioned would embrace minimalism, steering away from excess, while simultaneously celebrating the natural beauty of the surrounding environment. One of their main wishes was for a generous garden that would make their connection to the outdoors an integral part of daily life. A notable feature of the house is the open dining room, a space that blurs the line between indoor and outdoor living. Nestled at the intersection between private and common areas, the open dining area became a symbolic realization of the couple's desire to dine in the fresh air. The placement of the dining space also brought with it a wonderful surprise. The house's orientation provided breathtaking views of Pedra da Gávea, a famous granite mountain that towers over Rio de Janeiro. This unanticipated delight added a unique charm to the project, offering a daily visual treat to the residents as they enjoyed meals under the open sky. In keeping with the couple's wish for a sustainable and welcoming design, the initial architectural study explored the use of cross-laminated timber, CLT, for the construction. This choice would have allowed the structure and finish of the house to be seamlessly integrated, with the material offering both strength and aesthetic warmth. The facade was set to receive a shosugiban treatment, a Japanese technique that protects wood by charring it, creating a weather-resistant and visually striking appearance. However, concerns about durability and long-term maintenance led the couple to reconsider this material choice. Ultimately, the decision was made to use more traditional construction methods, but the architects maintained the intended aesthetic. Concrete slats were designed to mimic the look of charred wooden boards on the facade, preserving the house's distinctive appearance. Inside, the warmth of natural materials remained a priority, with marine plywood panels made from pine adorning some of the interior walls. These panels provided a comforting, earthy tone, contrasting beautifully with the sleek, linear design of the home. In the children's rooms, subtle touches of color were introduced in shades of light and dark green, creating spaces that felt personal and playful without disrupting the overall harmony of the house. Natural light plays a central role in the Itanhangá House, flooding the interiors with warmth and life. Each room opens onto outdoor decks, furthering the connection between indoor spaces and the surrounding gardens. Skylights were installed in strategic locations, including the dining room and bathrooms, allowing natural light to penetrate deep into the heart of the home. This design ensured that the sky itself became a part of the residents' daily routine, shifting with the time of day and seasons. The linear layout of the house is mirrored in the design of its interior circulation, where a continuous corridor connects all the rooms. This corridor is punctuated by alternating glass panels and vertical supports, creating a rhythm that guides the flow of movement through the home. Along one side, a long bench runs the length of the hallway, providing a place for rest, reflection, or even casual conversation. This thoughtful design not only facilitates easy movement, but also invites moments of stillness and connection. The entire project reflects the couple's deep respect for nature and their desire to create a home that is both functional and beautiful. Every detail, from the selection of materials to the layout of the rooms, was carefully curated to meet their vision of a life in balance with their surroundings. Itanhangá House stands as a testament to how architecture can enhance the natural world rather than overpower it, offering its residents a sanctuary where simplicity and beauty coexist in perfect harmony. The architectural concept of the house took shape around this desire for simplicity and practicality, with the entire layout designed in a linear fashion. The construction was positioned along the longitudinal boundary of the property, allowing for a spacious garden that would envelop the house. This design decision preserved almost all the existing trees, a key element that harmonized with the couple's aspirations for a green, living environment. A green pathway led to the main entrance, ensuring that the residents and visitors would always be greeted by the sight of lush greenery. While practical access for cars and service areas was carefully integrated at the front of the property, the private spaces were tucked away at the back, offering seclusion and peace.